Hello and thank you for visiting Luscombe Motors. Today I'm going to show you a short video around our lovely Vauxhall Crossland Elite in a carbon black. Now this is a 1.2 manual petrol. It's got 24,160 miles on the clock and it can achieve 47.9 miles per gallon, making it a very economical car. One of the main highlights of this vehicle would be that it does have full main dealer service history, so it has been very well looked after and maintained by its previous owner. Next I'll show you a little look inside the boot space. So as you can see there, it does have a very generous boot space available, perfect for doing airport runs for example. Next I'll show you a little look inside the rear seating area. As you can see, it does have half leather seats there as well, looking very nice against the fabric. Going around to the front, here's your multimedia touchscreen panel. Now this will come standard with a few features such as a reverse camera that is accompanied with reverse parking sensors, DAB digital radio, Bluetooth, Apple Carplay and Android Auto. Just a little further down you do have dual zone climate control, so you can adjust the temperature accordingly from there. That will come standard with air conditioning. Another feature would be its heated front seats, as you can see from the sides there. Here is your leather multifunctional steering wheel. Now from here you would be able to adjust your radio and volume settings accordingly. On the opposite side you do have your cruise control settings. Some more of this car's features would be its lane departure warnings. It does have electronic traction control, automatic headlights, automatic rain wipe sensors, and it also has a 5-star NCAP safety rating, which is fantastic for your peace of mind there. Now before this car does leave us at the dealership, it will come with 12 months of advisory free MOT and it'll be given a fresh service. If you would like any further information on this vehicle, or if you would like to take the car for a test drive, do feel free to get in touch. Myself or one of my colleagues will be more than happy to help you going further. Thank you very much. Take care.